Let us look at NEET Notes PDF for Physics, Chemistry, Biology as a free download. Firstly, let's talk about the exam details and the eligibility criteria. NEET is the national eligibility cum entrance test for admission in various private as well as government colleges that offer courses of medical sciences. It is conducted by the National Testing Agency. It is a national level undergraduate examination, and the academic qualification required is to complete 10 plus 2 or an equivalent course with the compulsory subjects of physics, chemistry, and biology. Preparing for NEET is a difficult job and it requires studying various topics which are in the syllabus. If you're all geared up for your NEET preparation, then you must already be in possession of numerous books for NEET recommended to you by various different sources. The students must hence now scrutinize as to which study material is the best for NEET 2021 and make NEET notes from them. But as you know, it is very excruciating and time-taking process. And yes, time is something which you do not have as of now. So the question is what to do to get the best notes. Clear Exam brings to you specially curated NEET notes which have been prepared by a subject expert after carefully following the trend of the NEET exam in the last few years. The notes will not only serve for revision purposes but also will have several shortcuts and easy methods to go about a difficult problem. These NEET notes will enhance your NEET 2021 preparation. How much time do you have to prepare? Well, the NEET exam date is not out yet, but it is expected to be conducted in July 2021, which does not leave you with a lot of time, and you need to focus on efficient methods of preparation now. Now, what are the other benefits of using our NEET notes? Using notes can help you with time saving when it comes to revision, but the second most important thing is that it saves cost. Buying numerous books to make neat notes is very costly. So using our notes significantly helps in reducing your cost as you do not have to buy multiple books. That is why neat notes are extremely important when it comes to your preparation.